Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with the Walmart's Ibotta haul. Guys, I did finish my $10 bonus, so I wanted to share the deals that I got with you guys. All right, now the first thing that I found was the Hormel Pepperoni, the hot and spicy. I did actually find this in my neighborhood Walmart. So this was priced $2.28. There's no coupon, so I had to pay $2.28 in store, but there is a $2.29 free Ibotta rebate, making this be free and a 1-cent moneymaker. The next rebate I decided to do was on the M&M's Classic Mix. All right, these were up where the register is. These were priced $1.48. There's 25 cents coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.23. The next rebate I got was the Any Brand Egg Rebate. Who doesn't need eggs, okay? These were priced $1.14 in my Walmart. That's what I had to pay in store. I got back 10 cents from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.04 for the dozen of grade A eggs. This rebate was on the Rimmel Eye. Okay, this is the liner. This is the Scandalous, and it is actually a creamy pencil, okay? The one that rolls out. This one's priced $3.97. There was a $2 Rimmel coupon in the 8-1 Smart Source, I believe. That dropped my cost in store to $1.97. There is $1.25 coming back from Ibotta. Final cost 72 cents. That's a great deal for me because I needed some. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Rimmel lip product. All right, now this is just like a lip gloss, stay glossy, and this was priced $3.97 as well. There was a $1 coupon in that same insert. My cost in store was $2.97. I got $1.15 back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.82. I am thoroughly perturbed. My stupid tripod just finished breaking. He's dead. I'm going to have to throw him in the trash and buy another tripod. All right, guys. The next rebate I decided to get was the Cream of Nature Argan Oil. Now, I was super excited about this because this is the mousse. This is the Style and Shine foaming mousse, guys. So I found this at a bigger Walmart, not my neighborhood Walmart, because my neighborhood Walmart didn't have this one, but it did have a coupon on it. So this one was $4.67 in store. There was a $2 coupon on the product, dropping the cost to $2.67 in the store. $2 back from Ibotta. Final cost 67 cents for this. So I was excited. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Sargento Balanced Brakes, guys. Okay, so these were priced $3.22 in my Walmart. There was a $1 coupon on the actual product. I do believe we have insert coupons for this as well, but I used the one on the product, which was actually more. I think the insert coupon is 75 cents. So that dropped my cost in store to $2.22. There's 50 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.72. Now, just to mention, I do believe these are on sale 3 for $10 at Harris Teeter. I think, let me know if I'm incorrect, but if that be the case, it could be possibly cheaper at Harris Teeter, but I wasn't going to Harris Teeter for one rebate, guys. So if you just happen to be going in Harris Teeter, check that, because that would make it be $3.33. That 75-cent coupon, as long as it does not say do not double on it, that would double to $1.50, which you get what I'm saying. That's actually a little cheaper than the $1.72. So keep that in mind. The next rebate was the Glad Press and Seal. I have not gotten this before. This is the Saran Wrap, $2.98. No coupon, I didn't have one. So it's $2.98 in store, $1 coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.98. Next rebate I got was the Dixie Ultra Cutting Boards. I love these things, guys, because I can cut all the vegetables I need and then throw it in the trash, okay? Especially with meat, because who wants to wash a cutting board that you cut meat on? I don't. So this one is, but my cutting boards are glass, so you know what I'm saying. It's just for that lazy cook like me. All right, so this is the Dixie Ultra Cutting Boards. This one actually had a coupon on it. So it was $4.48 in store, but it did have that peel peel off coupon, which was $1, dropped the cost to $3.48. Now, that coupon did not want to scan. I don't know what the problem was with that coupon. So the cashier did have to manually input it. My rebate was $1.50. So final cost $1.98 for the Dixie Ultra cutting boards. It's 10 in here, so I think it's worth it. The next rebate I got was the Barilla box pasta. I got the elbows this time because it's about to be Thanksgiving and Richard's gonna make macaroni and cheese, okay? That's definitely gonna be a video on our channel because my husband makes really good macaroni and cheese, okay? A Barilla blue box pasta was $1.28, no coupon, but there's 40 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost 88 cents. For the pasta. I apologize, guys, for the angle. It seems like I'm a mile away, but I had to prop you up over there. All right, so the next rebate I did was on the soft soap hand soap. Now, this is priced $1.98. No coupon. I had already used my printable, so softsoap.com. That is up to you. Maybe you can do that. Now, when I did that, remember I told you guys that for some reason, those coupons had to be pushed through as well. I hadn't had that to happen, I don't think, in the past, but who knows what's going on with that. So there's still 2 rebates attaching. There's a 50 cents rebate and there is a 75 cents rebate that's attaching to this. Final cost 73 cents. That's a great deal. And the next rebate I did was on the dial foam and hand soap. I'm loving that this keeps resetting, guys. They're priced $1.84 each. I did purchase 2 because in order to use the coupon, you've got to buy 2. Made my cost $3.68 before the coupon. The $1 off of 2 coupon that was in the 9.5 save insert drops the cost to $2.68. There's 50 cents coming back from each one for the rebates, making $1 back. Final cost $1.68 for the 2. That's less than $1 each. That's a great deal, guys. That is it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, let me know in the comments below of the video. What was your favorite item and which item are you going to run out to the store and get in your haul? Let me know if you guys have completed your $10 bonus because Crystal did. So I actually accomplished it this time. And I also accomplished my mid-week bonus. Yes, I'm on it, guys, because they gave me 6 rebates for $3. So you know I couldn't turn it down. So I got an extra $13 off of this haul. So that was amazing, okay? So that is it, guys. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. If you're not already a member of the Coupon Crew, please hit the pink box in the corner of your screen so you guys can know when I post a video, post a haul, do a chit chat, say hey, say hi, do something, okay? Hit the pink box, hit the bell for notifications so you guys will know when I come on here. And also, if you guys have not checked out our channel, my husband and I, we started a YouTube channel for our weekend vlogs and for other vlogs we want to do. If you guys have not tuned in, I hope you guys go check us out, okay? I will put a link to that channel in the description box, guys. All right, remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.